Unlock the joy of baking with a stand mixer, a must-have for effortlessly mixing everything from cookies to cakes. It's also perfect for homemade pasta and pizza, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. We've done the research and found the best stand mixers for you. For more information on each product, check out the links in the description below. So let's start. The first on our list is the Omniverse stand mixer. The Omniverse stand mixer is a robust addition to any kitchen, boasting a 660-watt high-performance pure copper motor that combines power with relatively quiet operation, emitting noise levels of less than 76 decibels. This mixer doesn't just excel in power, it also features 6 optimized speed settings with a pulse function, making it versatile enough to handle everything from light whipped creams to sturdy dough mixtures. What sets this mixer apart is its 6.5 quarts large stainless steel bowl, which is perfect for making big batches of your favorite recipes. The bowl comes with dual handles, making it easier to manage even when full. The tilt head design enhances the usability of the mixer, allowing easy access to the bowl and attached accessories. Aesthetically, the Omniverse stand mixer impresses with a sleek stainless steel decoration belt and a vibrant blue LED power indicator, which ensures it stands out in any kitchen setting. The mixer comes equipped with multiple attachments, including a whisk, a dough hook, and a mixing beater, catering to a variety of baking and cooking needs. Additionally, the splash guard with an access hatch helps keep your kitchen clean, allowing you to add ingredients without stopping the mixer and without any spillage. In conclusion, the Omniverse stand mixer not only looks good in your kitchen with its striking red housing and 2-layer painting, but also offers functionality that makes it a valuable tool for both novice and experienced bakers. The second on our list is the Hamilton Beach stand mixer. This stand mixer simplifies the process of mixing and preparing a wide range of recipes, from fluffy meringues to hearty bread doughs. It is equipped with a robust 300-watt motor that handles even the thickest batters with ease, ensuring that all your homemade baked goods are perfectly mixed every time. This mixer is defined by its versatility, featuring 7 speed settings along with a slow start function that minimizes splatters, a crucial feature when combining dry and wet ingredients. The innovative planetary mixing action means that the mixer's attachments orbit within the 4-quart stainless steel bowl, achieving complete bowl coverage and eliminating the need to stop and scrape the sides manually. A practical addition to any kitchen, the Hamilton Beach stand mixer includes a whisk, dough hook, flat beater, and splash guard, all of which are dishwasher safe, simplifying your cleanup process. The mixer itself boasts a tilt-back head design, which not only facilitates easy access to the bowl for adding ingredients, but also makes it straightforward to attach or change out the mixing tools. Designed with convenience in mind, the stand mixer features a built-in handle at the top. This thoughtful detail allows for easy lifting of the mixer's head, and when not in use, the same handle aids in moving the appliance for storage. In conclusion, the Hamilton Beach stand mixer is a robust, versatile appliance that promises to make baking and cooking a simpler, more enjoyable experience. The third on our list is the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5. The KitchenAid Artisan Series 5 stand mixer combines timeless design with powerful performance, solidifying its reputation as the #1 mixer brand worldwide. This iconic mixer is well known for its durable metal construction and efficient mixing capability, featuring 59 touch points around the bowl for exceptional results. This model boasts a 5-quart stainless steel bowl, ideal for making large batches. It can handle up to 9 dozen cookies in a single batch. The bowl is also dishwasher safe, adding convenience to its extensive list of features. The tilt head design of the mixer enhances usability by allowing easy access to the bowl and attachments, ensuring you can add ingredients or change tools effortlessly. Speed is no issue for the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5, as it offers 10 different settings to tackle any task, from gently stirring dry and wet ingredients to vigorously whipping cream. Whether you are a novice baker or a seasoned chef, this flexibility makes it perfect for a wide array of recipes. Furthermore, the stand mixer is not just about performance, but also personalization. Available in over 20 colors, it allows you to match your kitchen decor or express your style, making it a delightful addition to your countertop. For those looking to expand their culinary skills, the mixer supports over 10 different attachments, capable of everything from grinding meat to making ice cream. In summary, the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5 is not just a stand mixer, it's a gateway to culinary exploration, offering robust construction, versatile use, and a stylish look that makes it a must-have in any kitchen. The fourth on our list is the Cuisinart Stand Mixer. This stand mixer epitomizes efficiency and precision in the kitchen, backed by a strong 500-watt motor encased in durable die-cast metal construction. With 12 different speed settings, this mixer excels at a variety of culinary tasks, making it an essential tool for any baking or cooking enthusiast. Accompanied by a polished 5.5-quart stainless steel bowl, this mixer offers ample space for large recipes. The tilt-back head design facilitates easy access to the bowl and attachments, enhancing user convenience during the cooking process. Essential tools included with this mixer are a chef's whisk, dough hook, flat mixing paddle, and a splash guard with a pour spout, which helps minimize messes. Moreover, the Cuisinart Stand Mixer stands out with its versatility, supporting several optional attachments like a pasta extruder, pasta roller, ice cream maker, meat grinder, and spiralizer, transforming it into a multifunctional kitchen device. This mixer is not only functional, but also stylish, available in a range of colors including silver lining, onyx, periwinkle blue, ruby red, white linen, and robin's egg, allowing you to match it perfectly with your kitchen decor. In conclusion, the Cuisinart Stand Mixer is a top-tier kitchen appliance that combines versatility, power, and style, making it a great choice for those who enjoy the art of cooking and baking. It's a reliable addition to any kitchen, promising to assist in creating numerous dishes and desserts with ease. The last mixer on our list is the Instant Pot Stand Mixer Pro. The Instant Pot Stand Mixer Pro brings modern technology into the traditional baking scene with its impressive 600-watt motor, making it a fantastic choice for tackling a wide range of baking tasks. From whipping up the smoothest meringues to kneading thick cookie dough, this mixer's power is efficiently harnessed through a well-designed digital interface, offering 10 adjustable speeds and a helpful countdown timer to prevent overmixing. One of the standout features of this mixer is its lightweight design, being 20% lighter than other leading kitchen stand mixers, which makes it easy to move and store. Despite its light frame, the mixer boasts sturdy die-cast metal construction, ensuring durability and lasting good looks. The 7.4-quart stainless steel mixing bowl is perfect for large batches and comes with a dishwasher-safe paddle, dough hook, and whisk, simplifying the cleanup process. A unique aspect of the Instant Pot Stand Mixer Pro is its user-friendly digital controls, placed strategically to enhance visibility and ease of use. The mixer includes a smart countdown timer that can also count up to track mixing time, providing precision with every recipe. However, it's worth noting that while it handles large batches with ease, smaller mixes might require frequent manual intervention to ensure even mixing, as ingredients can sometimes escape the reach of the attachments. In conclusion, the Instant Pot Stand Mixer Pro is a solid choice for those who appreciate innovative features in their kitchen appliances. And that ends our list of the best stand mixers. We hope this guide helps you find the right one for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews like this. Until next time, take care.